Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn in my garden and then I found a ribbit. He's here today. I just usually wet my finger, but it's wet today, and you can touch him. This is Ribbit. Ribbit. He's out here munching away on bugs and everything today. Enjoying the little bit of rain we're getting along with my coleus here, really beautiful, and my polka dot plants are coming out really good also. A little close up of Rib. It's getting really big, as long as my finger. He'll probably stay around for a couple of days. And here are my coleus. They came out really nice and beautiful. Also, I hope you enjoy Ribbit in my garden. I love you all out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.